cannot wrap my head around a clay rinse. And not because I have my own line, but if clay is supposed to absorb oil and you have a texture that's naturally drier, that grows out of your head healthy and dry naturally, not some strange phenomenon, it just is what it is. Why would you put clay? Now, I'm not comparing it to a sudsing shampoo, even a sulfate-free low sudsing shampoo, because those don't work either. But a consolation is not a clay rinse or clay that absorbs oil. The ideal is that you're supposed to really use something that's creamier, that cleanses, kind of like skincare for your hair, where you don't wash our faces with soap anymore. We use things like Cetaphil that are, our creams that help to gently remove dirt and oil without stripping your skin. And non-sudsing cream shampoos are that. Hair Rules Cleansing Cream is probably the richest, thickest, cleanest, non-fruity, sticky residue type of cleansing cream on the market. I've tried them all. I was out of cleansing cream. My manufacturer didn't have it for a few months, and so I went insane trying to find one that worked, and they were all sticky or left a residue or didn't clean the scalp or just didn't feel like it was kind of, really leaving the hair clean. And so clay, I don't understand. I get natural, but honey, if you've been relaxing your hair for the last 20 years and you decided to go natural, you're natural.